A rare snowstorm hit Tokyo on Monday, disrupting train services and forcing cancellation of about 250 flights from Haneda Airport. Some highways were forced to close as icy roads had caused traffic accidents. Cristiano Ronaldo sustained injury after a collision with a player during a match with Deportivo La Coruña on Sunday. The incident caused the Real Madrid player's left face to bleed and he later left the game. 16 people were injured after a train hit a railway buffer on the outskirts of Sydney Monday morning. The accident, which happened at the end of a railway line in Richmond, saw a 21-year-old man suffer a broken leg while other victims were treated for minor injuries.